Welcome back to Car Trend, where we bring you the boldest, the fastest, and the most talked about machines on four wheels. And today, we've got something that's not just iconic, it's legendary. The 2025 Ford Mustang. A name that carries decades of muscle car history, roaring engines, bold styling, and an attitude that never backs down. But this time, Ford has pushed the envelope even further. Because this Mustang doesn't just pay homage to the past, it launches straight into the future. So let's talk about what makes the 2025 Mustang such a game changer. First off, the design. One look at this car and you know it's a Mustang. It's got that aggressive stance, that wide, low front grille, and the signature tri-bar LED lighting that screams performance. But Ford hasn't just stuck with the classics, they've added sharper lines, more sculpted panels, and a fastback profile that looks like it's moving even when the car is standing still. And let's not forget the rear, sleek, clean, with bold taillights and dual or even quad exhaust tips, depending on the trim. Whether you choose the EcoBoost or the GT, this car looks ready to pounce. Under the hood is where the magic really happens. Ford is offering several powertrain options in the 2025 Mustang, from the turbocharged 2.3L EcoBoost engine that puts out impressive torque and horsepower, to the heart-pounding 5.0L Coyote V8 in the GT model. That's right, pure American muscle still lives here. And for those who crave the ultimate track-ready beast, the Dark Horse model returns, pushing the V8 to its limits and offering performance parts that take this pony car into supercar territory. And yes, the 2025 Mustang still comes with a 6-speed manual transmission for those who love to drive. But if you're into smooth shifting and lightning-fast response, the 10-speed automatic is still an option and it's more refined than ever. It adapts to your driving style, giving you sharp downshifts when you're pushing hard and smooth cruising when you're just enjoying the ride. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2025 Mustang is where modern technology meets driver-focused design. The dashboard is dominated by a curved, customizable digital screen that seamlessly blends a 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster with a 13.2-inch center touchscreen, all powered by Ford's Sync 4 system. This layout not only looks futuristic, it functions that way too. Navigation, climate control, media, and performance data are all right at your fingertips. And the graphics, smooth, sharp, and full of personality. The materials are upgraded across the board. Soft touch surfaces, contrast stitching, aluminum accents, and even optional Recaro performance seats make the Mustang's cabin feel more premium than ever. But don't worry, it hasn't gone soft. This is still a driver's car. The flat-bottom steering wheel, short-throw shifter, and perfectly placed pedals remind you that this isn't just a muscle car, it's a machine built for those who love to drive. In terms of handling, the 2025 Mustang has taken a major step forward. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better grip, reduced body roll, and more predictable dynamics. Magnaride adaptive dampers are available, adjusting in real time to road conditions and your driving style. Whether you're on a winding mountain road or just navigating city traffic, the Mustang stays planted and responsive. And then there's the sound. Because let's face it, a Mustang needs to roar. The active valve performance exhaust system allows you to change the car's voice with the touch of a button. Want to be a good neighbor in the morning? Quiet mode. Feeling wild on the weekend? Track mode. That deep, throaty growl from the V8 is music to any enthusiast's ears. Ford hasn't forgotten about safety either. The 2025 Mustang comes with a full suite of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision braking. These systems help give you peace of mind, whether you're commuting or carving up corners. Now, what's really exciting is how customizable this new Mustang is. From wheel designs to paint colors to interior trims, Ford is letting buyers really make this car their own. You can go for a stealthy blacked-out look, a classic racing stripe setup, or even choose from retro-inspired color options that throw back to the golden era of Mustangs. It's not just about driving a fast car, it's about driving your car. And let's not ignore the value. With all this performance, tech, and heritage packed in, the 2025 Mustang remains one of the most affordable performance cars on the market. Ford has managed to create a car that appeals to both purists and modern tech lovers, something very few brands can pull off. So, Who is the 2025 Mustang for? It's for the enthusiast who grew up loving the sound of a V8. It's for the next generation of drivers who want speed and tech in one package. It's for the person who doesn't want to blend in on the road. This is a car that makes a statement, not just in looks and sound, but in how it feels when you take the wheel. At the end of the day, the 2025 Ford Mustang isn't just another sports car. It's a continuation of a legacy. It's evolution without compromise. It's a muscle car reborn for a new era, but with all the attitude and soul that made it a legend in the first place. Thanks for watching Car Trend. If you love muscle cars, modern performance, and the latest from the world of automobiles, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments, would you take the 2025 Mustang GT, the EcoBoost, or the all-out Dark Horse? And until next time, keep the engines revving and the rubber burning.